So we begin this time of prayer, this time of meditation, by doing exactly that, by breathing. Knowing that with each breath in, we inhale the very reality of Spirit. And that with each breath out, we exhale those things which no longer serve. Breathing in light, breathing in love, breathing in peace. And we exhale and let go of anger, of fear, of worry, of regret. And so we sit in this moment, doing the most powerful and yet the most simple thing we can do, as we breathe in the good and we release what we're ready to say so long to. And as we breathe, we feel the peace, the love, the stillness of Spirit radiating through us. We feel the peace of Spirit expanding out from us. We feel it encompassing this room. Encompassing our city, our state, our country, the entire world. Choosing to know in this moment that we are radiating centers of light, of love, of peace. We choose now to simply sit, to rest in the stillness, to rest in the quiet, to simply sit and radiate the good that we are in the world as we rest in the silence. breathing into this moment. We allow the music to draw us back. And as we begin to return, we rest solidly in the truth that we can return to this place at any moment. That we have within us a power capable of making great changes in our lives and in our world. The only thing we have to remember to do is to breathe. And so with gratitude in our hearts and breath in our lungs, we go forward now, ready to be powerful, radiating centers of light, of love, of truth for ourselves and for this world. And so it is. And so we let it be.